Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn different topic, how to find number of days, months and years between two dates. Two dates means joining dates and today's date. It is used by different organization and different departments like human resource department, accounts department, production department, QC department, and it is useful for when making employee settlement, to know age in years, to know expiry months of products, to know days difference, to know working days. Let's start with example. It is joining date, and assume that it is joining the date of an employee, and it is today's date, the day it is resigning from job. Today's date, you see here the formula. When days next day come, it will auto change. How to use today's date formula? I delete it. Equal to today, bracket open, bracket close, then today's date comes and it will auto change on next day. Here you see the employee start working on 2 August 1985 and resigned on 16th October 2022. uh, we want to know the time duration they work. He works 37 years, 2 months and 15 days. How to calculate 37 years? We use dated if formula. Let's do an example. Equal to dated if, bracket open, start date, comma, today's date, comma, quotation mark, y, quotation close, bracket close. Here you see the employee works 37 years, and how many months they work. I use dollar sign to fix the formula. I don't need to write this formula again, therefore I just use dollar sign here and copy this formula in remaining cells. I copy it and paste here. Here I use M with Y. The employee works 37 years and 2 months. And how many days? I copy this formula and paste here. I remove Y and add D. The employee works 37 years, 2 months and 14 days. I add 1 as well, because 16 minus 2 14, but 2 is also working day, therefore I add 1 here. When it comes on dates format, I change it into general. Now you can see calculate by manual, it is very accurate. 37 years, 2 months and 15 days. And second example, how to know the number of days. This formula is also simple. Equal to today's date minus joining date. It shows number of days difference they works, plus 1 because they less 2 date 2 as well, therefore I add 1 here. And how many years they work? Equal to this divided by 365, because in a year has 365 days, therefore I divide by 365 to know number of years. 37 years, 37 years. If I want to know total years, total months and total days, I use dated if, start date, comma, today's date, comma, y, quotation marks and y. Here I see total 37 years. Then I want to know total months, not remaining months. It is remaining months. I use for total months. How many months they work. Equal to dated if, start date, comma, today's. It shows total months he works. It is remaining months, it is total months, equal to I want to know how many days he works, equal to dated if bracket open is joining date, today's date, comma d for days, press enter. 13589 plus 1, 13590. He works 37 years. If I want to know how many months they work, he works for 46 months. I use M here. If I want to know total number of days he works, total number of days 13590. You see here. Here you see 37 years, 2 months and 15 days, but here you see 37 years, 37 years, 2 months and 14 days comes together. How to do it? It is also very simple. We use dated formula, and you see here we use AND to merge with text years. How to do it? We do in example. I delete it. Equal to dated if bracket open start date comma joining date comma years bracket close. Here you see 37. How to add years? We just use and years present, 37 years. If I want space, something like 37 years. Here I require space between 37 and years. I use here space, 37 years. You can add month as well and days as well by using this formula. I undo it. It is the formula. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any question, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much.